Greetings of the day. This is Anisha as maths teacher of class first from Bal Bharati Vidyapit Gohana. So dear, welcome to maths class. In our previous class, we had discussed about the basic concept of addition. And today, let's use what we have learned in addition to solve word problems. And we will call these word problems addition stories. And addition stories, it gives us some information. Then they ask us to find something, and we have to understand clearly what the information given is and what we have to find out. Then we have to find the answer. These are the different words which can be used to show addition, like add, combine, sum, in all, together, join, total, altogether, and plus. And whenever we see these words in the problem sum, we need to carry out addition there. And the sign of addition is plus. Now we are going to learn three methods of addition word problems. First one is addition picture word problems. इसमें हमें पिक्चर्स को देख के प्रॉब्लम्स को सोल्व करनी है. Like, there are 4 roses and 2 sunflowers in my garden. How many flowers are there in all? In all means यहाँ पे हमें ऐड करने की जरूरत है. So there are 4 roses and 2 sunflowers in my garden. गार्डन में 4 roses है and 2 sunflowers है, जैसे कि आप पिक्चर्स में देख सकते हो. तो अब हम इनको ऐड करेंगे. So 4 roses and 2 sunflowers is, yes, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6. So now let's see the next. Joe has 5 balloons and Mary has 6. How many balloons they have in all? In all means यहाँ पे हमें ऐड करना है. And जो के पास 5 balloons है and Mary के पास 6 है. तो 5 balloons plus 6 balloons, yes, is equal to 11 balloons. 11 balloons. And if pictures are not given in such problems, then how would we solve them? We will solve these problems by drawing the pictures of the things mentioned in the problems and then counting them together. For this, we will use RFDS method. But do you know what RFDS stands for? R. R stands for read the question. F. F stands for find the addition word. And do you remember what addition words are? Addition words are like add, join, total, in all, and sum, etc. But why do we look for the addition word? It is because these words help us know that we need to add or not subtract. So then we have to D. D stands for draw. And in last, S. That means to solve the word problems to get the answer. Now let's apply this method to solve the word problems. For example, Ram has 4 caps and Ravi has 3 caps. Total, how many caps do they have? So first we will read the word problems. Ram has 4 caps and Ravi has 3 caps. Total, how many caps do they have? Yes. अब हमें एडिशन वर्ड फाइंड आउट करना है. सो टोटल है यहाँ पे, एडिशन वर्ड है मीन्स यहाँ पे हमें टोटल करना है. अब हमें ड्रॉ करनी है पिक्चर्स. राम के पास 4 कैप्स है इसलिए हम 4 कैप्स ड्रॉ करेंगे. एंड रवि हैज 3 कैप्स. रवि के पास 3 कैप्स है सो हम आप 3 कैप्स ड्रॉ करेंगे. नाउ टोटल, हाउ मेनी कैप्स डू दे हैव? अब हम इनका टोटल करेंगे. सो 4 कैप्स प्लस 3 कैप्स इज इक्वल टू 7 कैप्स. सो आंसर इज 7 caps. Let's see the next question. 3 balls on the table, 2 balls on the floor. Find the total number of balls. So first step is read the word problems. 3 balls on the table, 2 balls on the floor, and find the total number of balls. Then, yes, find the addition word. So total is the addition word here. Then 3 balls on the table. हमने यहाँ पे टेबल पे 3 balls ड्रॉ की हैं. Then 2 balls on the floor. उसके बाद 2 balls फ्लोर पर हैं. तो अब हमें बताना है कि यहाँ पे टोटल बॉल्स कितनी है. तो हम बॉल्स को काउंट करेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5. So 3 balls plus 2 balls is equal to 5 balls. So next question is, Ram brings 5 apples. Raman brings 4 apples. How many apples altogether do they bring? So first is read the problem. Yes, Ram brings 5 apples. Raman brings 4 apples. How many apples altogether do they bring? Next is find the addition word. So altogether, here altogether is a addition word. Then draw 5 apples and 4 apples. Ram brings 5 apples, इसलिए हमने 5 apples ड्रॉ की हैं. एंड रमन brings 4 apples. So हमने 4 apples यहाँ पे ड्रॉ की हैं. Then yes, अब इनका हम टोटल करेंगे. 5 apples plus 4 apples is equal to 9 apples. Next method is addition word problems. Solve word problems by direct counting. Means in this method we have to use our fingers while solving addition word problems. So now let's see how. Rama has 8 rose flowers. She gets 7 flowers from the market. What is the sum of the flowers? The sum of the flowers is, first step is read the story. So Rama has 8 rose flowers. She gets 7 flowers from the market. What is the sum of the flowers? Then find addition word. So sum tells us we need to add. It is an addition story. यहाँ पे sum है जो हमें बता रहा है कि हमें यहाँ पे add करना है. Then write means 8 plus 7. 8 keep in mind because it is a bigger number, and 7 showing on fingers because it is a smaller number. Then bigger number 8 है, हमें इसके बाद 7 फिंगर ओपन करनी है और वो 8 के बाद हमें काउंटिंग शुरू करनी है. 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. The sum of the flower is 15. So now let's see the next question. A box has 8 pens. 2 more pens are added to the box. How many pens are there in all? Yes, first step is read the statement. A box has 8 pens. 2 more pens are added to the box. How many pens are there in all? Then find out the addition word. So in all, यहाँ पे जो in all है क्या है, यहाँ पे addition word means यहाँ पे हमें add करना है. Then write 8 plus 2. 8 keep in mind because it is a bigger number, and 2 showing on finger because it is a smaller number. Yes, finger आपको 2 ओपन करनी है और 8 के बाद आपको काउंटिंग शुरू करनी है. 9 10. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. In all, there are 10 pens in the box. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye and happy learning.